How to use Instagram on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll guide you on how can you use Instagram on mobile. To use Instagram on mobile, you'll have to first of all install the app. So head over to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Instagram and then you want to make sure to locate it and click on the install button. After the application is completely installed, click on the open button. Now then, you'll be taken to this field, so you have to create an account, or you could also log into your existing account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on create a new account. Then it's going to ask you to type in your contact information. You could either go with email or phone number and tap the next button. As soon as you've done this, now it's going to ask you to once again confirm if you already have it and create a password. As you're done creating a password, tap the next button. Now select the date of birth according to your age and tap the next button. Once again, tap the next, enter in your full name, last name, all that. And lastly, you'll be asked to provide your profile. So for that, you could go ahead and upload your picture, photo, whatever that you want. And that way you'll have successfully created your Instagram account. And along with that, now you could go ahead and start adding friends and family or inviting people to your Instagram as well. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.